There's Tony and Beckford leading off the Jamaica team.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Migash. Welcome to Migash Reactions. Today we are watching Jamaica's Racing Stars. These are two 4x4 relay races, and trust me, Jamaica put on a show. Watch this video until the end because I'll be back with full reactions and breakdown. And as you watch, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more reactions like this. Let's get into it.
Virgin Islands and Bermuda. Penultimate race of Carifta 50. 4x4 final for under 20 girls. The Bahamians in the lineup.
That's Frederick, the 200 champion.
Quiet for the start, please. Quiet for the start.
There's Tony and Beckford leading off the Jamaica team.
Stand behind your blocks. On your mark.
Final girls event of Carifta 50.
Set.
Off they go. 4x400 for under 20 girls.
Sponsored by Porky's Baby. Out in front. Here's Bermuda.
Sol Frederick leading off for Trinidad and Tobago.
Jamaica.
British Virgin Islands go out well in lane number 6. The Trinbagonians are going well. Tony and Beckford trying to get into the picture for the Jamaicans. Bahamas will have some work to do coming into the straightaway, but they start to respond as well. Down the home stretch they come. Bahamas in the mix now, moving beautifully on this opening leg. The Bahamians, Bahamas and Jamaica. Jamaica have put their big gun on the second leg. Jamaica changing just ahead of the Bahamas. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, has the baton for the black, green and gold.
Fine first leg, 54.8 for Beckford.
Down the back stretch they go. Ricky and Russell stretches the advantage. The 200 champion, Sunny Frederick on this second leg for Trinidad and Tobago. And she sprints into second position. The Bahamians in third. Jamaica well clear once again. Bahamas now back in second position. Frederick starting to struggle. Down the home stretch. Ricky and Russell, the 400 champion, leading the Jamaicans. Here she comes to make the second change. Jamaica well clear.
51.8 for Russell.
British Virgin Islands now in second position.
Christian Powell looking good on this third leg for Jamaica. Bahamas fight back and regain second place. Real battle for the silver and the bronze.
3:31.47, the current record held by Jamaica. And Casey and Powell with a massive advantage. Down the home stretch. Powell for Jamaica. Battle on for silver, Trinidad and Tobago, British Virgin Islands and Bahamas. But the Bahamians have Valcourt on the anchor leg. That should secure them the silver. The Jamaicans are well clear.
53-4 for Powell. Valcourt.
Well, it's not Valcourt who is on the anchor leg for the Bahamians.
Ran last night. Great lead-off leg. And Jamaica clear in front here.
Abigail Campbell on the anchor leg for Jamaica.
Last year's under 17 400 champion in Kingston gets the glory leg.
And glory it shall be. Campbell turns into the straightaway.
Alright fam, thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you're still here, appreciate you for real. Now let's talk about what we just witnessed. Because this wasn't just 2 races. This was Jamaican track history continuing right in front of us. We just watched 2 4x4 relay finals and Jamaica won both races convincingly. In both races, it didn't matter who was on the track or who started first. Jamaica stayed calm, executed their strategy and pulled away when it mattered most. That level of composure at under 20 level is scary in a good way. When people talk about Jamaica, they usually think about the 100 and 200 meter sprints. But relay racing has always been a huge part of Jamaica's identity. Relay success is not accidental. It requires trust, chemistry, timing, and discipline. And Jamaica has mastered that over generations. What we saw here is not something new. Jamaica has been dominating global athletics for decades, from World Championship to the Olympic Games. When Jamaica lines up for a relay, other countries already know they are in a serious battle. Jamaica has repeatedly delivered legendary relay performances, gold medals, podium finishes, world-class moments, and many of those athletes started exactly where these young women are right now. This is where champions are built. One thing Jamaica does extremely well is develop talent early. These athletes don't just learn how to run fast. They learn how to race, how to handle pressure, how to run as a team. That's why even when Jamaica doesn't lead early, they never panic. In the first race, Jamaica established control early and extended the lead with every leg. Other teams fought hard, especially for silver, but Jamaica's depth made the difference. In the second race, another team took an early lead, but Jamaica responded calmly. By the mid legs, they were already back in front, and the anchor leg sealed it. Performances like this come from elite coaching and strong athletic culture. These runners understand their roles. They trust the baton. They trust each other. That's why Jamaica doesn't depend on one star. They produce teams. What this video shows the world is simple. Jamaica's future in track and field is secure. If the under 20 athletes are performing like this today, the next Olympic cycle is going to be very interesting. This was an incredible display of teamwork, speed, and discipline. If you enjoyed this reaction, like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Let me know what Jamaican or athletic video you want me to react to next. This is Migash Reactions. I'll see you in the next. Respect.